Affiliate marketing and pay-per-click. Do you want to make more money? Do you want to turn that computer you spent so much money on into a cash cow? Well, it is possible. It won't happen overnight, but with time and hard work you will soon be working from home if you choose. Do you currently have a website? Do you wonder why it isn't making you any money? You keep posting great content, wonderful writing samples and articles, but still your balance is zero. Well, perhaps you need to expand your horizons. By signing up for pay-per-click affiliate sites, you can soon see cash going into your account simply by maintaining your site. One of the most popular pay-per-click programs is Google AdSense. Google AdSense will take care of the advertising for you. When you sign up, your site will have new advertisements and banner places in the open spaces. If anyone visits your site and clicks on one of the ads, you get a referral payment. Again, Google takes care of the ad placement, allowing you to concentrate on increasing the traffic to your site. Joining a scheme such as Google AdSense is a good idea. They will help to promote your site and advise you on how to increase your traffic. If you'd have been maintaining your website for a while, you probably know that one of the best ways to attract traffic is through the use of keywords. The right keywords will have them flocking to your site. The wrong words will have them running in droves. Sites such as Google AdSense can help with this as well. They operate Google AdWords. This will help maximize the keyword usage and help get the correct one for the most traffic. Google does charge for this service, so you need to be sure it is worth it before you buy. You don't want all of your profits ate up by the AdWords scheme. When you sign up for Google AdSense, you can be assured that page-appropriate ads will be placed on your web page. If you have a pet care site, then things related to that topic will be placed. Obscure ads that have nothing to do with your page are not likely to impress your reader or increase your earnings. Google AdSense is only one example of search engines that offer a pay-per-click money-making service. There are hundreds of others. One of the most notable is Yahoo Publisher. It functions in much the same way as Google AdSense and offers a similar style of service. Which one you choose will largely depend on you. If you have several sites, you could try both schemes. See which one is better and go with that one. If you have several web pages that just seem to be doing nothing, then look into a pay-per-click program. Sites such as Google AdSense and Yahoo Publisher will do most of the hard work for you. They will place the ads and decide which ads will be best for your site. This will leave you time to do the most important thing: increase your site traffic and eventually your ad revenue. If you have websites, look into pay-per-click. The service is free, so you have nothing to lose.